Hi, Bradley from General 3D. This is the new Vive motion controller pistol grip, Model 92 FSVR version 2. The main benefits to this over the stock controller grip is comfort and ease of aiming. It is a much more natural shape to hold and point like a gun. Being more long than it is wide should help you aim more quickly without having to search for your sights for every shot. It also fixes the upper grip angle of the motion controller. I modeled this version to line the top of the controller with where the barrel of a gun would be. Most games use the top of the controller as a barrel, which left your handle and the controller at a steeper angle than is normal for real firearms. The result is an all-around more comfortable grip. The main concern most people have at first glance seems to be the access to the trackpad. So far, nobody that I'm aware of as of early July 2018 hasn't had a problem. The trackpad is so easy to access, I can easily use one of them in my offhand as well for locomotion with no problems. The only time I've inadvertently pressed the menu button is when gripping the 92 FSVR as hard as possible. The grip also won't interfere with the grip buttons on the motion controller. The grip buttons are still easy to press by slightly contracting your fingers in the default position. Finally, I want to address the only complaints I've received about the pistol grip so far. Where is the STL and why does it cost so much? The file isn't available for two reasons. First, the model took me a long time to create. I spent most of my free time for the past 2 months designing and perfecting this model. I like to think my time is worth something, so I'm not going to give it away for free. Second, there's several weak points that would quickly fail if it isn't printed with a good filament on a well-tuned machine. I chose the price to offset my time printing, shipping each one, in addition to a portion of my time designing and perfecting the model, the filament, and the maintenance on the printer, not to mention the cost of selling on eBay, including taxes. That being said, if you think you can redesign this and print it to the current fit, function, and finish for less than the current price, please let me know. I'd absolutely love to hire you to make more models in the future. Thanks for your time, and I hope you like it as much as I do.